Good evening, welcome to Boolean Buffet. So today we are going to discuss about another AI called Explainium. This is something like AI-powered video creation platform that transforms text-based content, which means if you put any prompt here, it will create a 1 minute or 2 minute video with detailed images, and you can present your video to your customer. If you are struggling to make any video to introduce your product or event or any something, you can use this platform to bring your video with your one click, and such as scripts and articles or even details into a professional quality and a promotional and explainer video within a minute, like designed for marketers, and it will be used for marketers and content creators and educators and businesses. It streamlines the video production process by automating the task like scripting and voiceover, animations and editing. So this is something like it's like a video editing tool. Instead of creating your own video, you can whatever the content you want to make in video, you just put your content here and add your pictures also. So based on your content and based on your prompt, it will create a content along with your images, and you can modify the video with some features that is already included available in this Explainium tool. And so see, this is something like the dashboard, and it returns, it says something like there are some quick examples like event announcement and job opening, and using uploaded images, like make a fun video about our new office. So this is something like the sample prompt, and this is how this is the place you want to you have to enter your prompt here, and you can upload the images or the basic video support, you can upload it here. So the key feature for this Explainium AI tool is AI generated video. Input your content via chat or pasting the text like a prompt, and Explainium AI craft a polished video draft in about 2 minutes. That is something like the drawback, like it will create only the 1 to 2 minutes video, not the 10 to longer than the 5 minutes or 10 minutes, because this is something like this is one of the AI tool which is available in the market to explore the features. And if you make an quick video in a minute, and you don't need to spend a time in the any other video tool or any other images or something like that, you just enter your prompt and it will create your video within a minute. And end-to-end automation, like from script writing to post production, the platform handles voiceovers, animations and subtitles, reducing the need for manual editing. And intelligent editing tool, like easily make the adjustment by instructing the AI to modify the scenes, update the tones, or add new elements without a complex editing. And user friendly interface optimized for Chrome for on desktop. And Explainium offers a seamless experience, though it may have limitations on other browsers. And customization options, like tailor videos with brand specific visuals and voiceovers and music to maintain consistencies across your content. So these are all the some features are available here. Let me quickly demo this Explainium AI. So before that, I'll copy this prompt and paste it over here, and add some images. I already copied some images, so that will make a fun video um for so these are all the images which I want to include here for this prompt. Okay, so let's click the send button and see how things going on here. I think it will create a 1 to 2 minute video. Let's see. And the use cases, like marketing and advertising, like creating the engaging promotional video, social media ad, or product announcement, you can use this. and content repurposing, like transform the blog post or article into a dynamic video content to reach a broader audience. That is really useful to use this. See, so this is the actual output, and it automatically includes the content and the images which you uploaded in the prompt. So it added the content along with the music. So this is something like the 1 or 2 minute video. This is really cool, right? So it's really a good approach. Like if you make a video with these images and the proper music, definitely it will take some amount of time. Definitely it will consume your valid time. So, but this Explainium, within a minute, it will create a 1 to 2 minute video within a in a proper format, and added a beautiful music along with the proper content in each and every places. See, that is really a cool thing here. And when I click here, it will open the editor platform, so you can change the video, and it contains only a simple editing tool. So this is completely enough to make a product announcement or quick video creation. This is completely enough. We don't need to rely on the advanced options and all, and we don't need to rely on the other editing tool. This is something like very cool features, and that is completely available in the market. See, and I'll try to change something here. Let's flash it over this page, and background I just uh, click the abstract cubes, and bottoms, what is the text position. Okay, let's make it the center alignment. See, and backdrop, yes, you can remove the backdrop for the text. Okay, that is cool. And what about I think this is something like the camera. Okay, and transition, I believe. Okay, and theme variant, yes, the respective image, the theme is completely changed. And what else options available here? Edit with assistant. Okay, try another template or reimagine the scene. Okay, let's try to replay this one. Let me move a bit and play it again. See, I applied all the themes here, and everything it works perfectly in this video. And this is something like the music. You can, if you want to change the music, then you can click, and it will be changed automatically. See, that that is really cool here, because there are perfect apt musics available here. So that is completely free, and you can also export it by using the export button. Yes, it is available in the better quality and faster export. Okay, let's try to export this faster quality, and let's try to click the download button. We'll see how things going on. I think it's the processing is followed, the rendering video, and it's processing the exporting feature. Okay, it calculate all the content, and yeah, for the exporting features. Let's see how things going on at the end. I think it will download. Oh, I'm not sure. I don't know why it's showing error. Because this is something like it's not popular. I believe that's why it's showing some error. I'm not sure. But anyhow, okay, let's try one more time. Download. Yeah, I think it. Oh, okay. The 0 byte is downloaded. I am export the video. Let's try it again. We'll see. Okay, other than that, there are other use cases like the educational content, develop the informative video for courses or tutorials or internal training materials. You can use this Explainium, and even promotion like generate compelling videos to announce or recap event, webinars or conferences. I think it's downloaded automatically. At the initial time, I'm not sure why it's showing error. Okay, let's try to replay play it again. I think yeah, wow. It's really a cool feature because it contains only a limited features, but that limited features are really awesome to make on a video. And if you have a time, please have a look here, and we'll try to add in one more video. Okay, so let's okay, I think we can change this color. See, there are three color theme available to change the content. That is really cool. Yes, and assistance. Yes, this is something like we can add the content. Okay, let's let's copy some content. I already copied a few content here, the prompt. Okay, let's try to copy over here and paste it over here. Let's try how the video will be created based on this prompt. So this prompt I just copied from the chat gpt. So this is something like your ultimate task management app, and introducing the smart task. This is something like the app title, and I added the scene 1, scene 2, scene 3. So the 5 scenes I added along with some content. Okay, let's see how it will created after this. And in the meantime, we'll try to check the okay. Okay. In the meantime, we'll check the pros and cons. The cons like limited customization. Yes, of course, it has a limited features available, and you don't expect more features than the proper professional editing tool. And paid tool like a free version has limitations. Like this only applicable only this 100 credits, I believe, and free versions has limitations. And browser compatibility, yes, it depends on only the browser, and once you create the video you can download it automatically. Then AI tones limitations, voiceovers might sound less human or emotionally dynamic in some cases, and not ideal for the long videos. Of course, it's clearly useful for 1 to 2 minute video for promoting your product or event. And if you make any office related function, you can choose this. And of course, the pros, the speed, yes, it's very fast to create an 1 to 2 minute video, and AI assisted scripting, and no design skill needed. Yes, it's simple user interface, and without a technical knowledge, anyone can build a video within a quick amount of time. Then end-to-end automation and web-based, accessible from anywhere via the Chrome browser. That is cool, and good for multiple industries. Yes, and if you like the marketing industry, education and HR and product teams and much more, you all can get benefit from using this Explainium tool. Okay, let's back to this video. Let's play it again. Smart task, like this is the prompt, a new prompt which I included here. And the images which already taken from my collections, which I included in the media library. So that's why I took the images from there. Okay, set reminders. Okay, yes, this is really a cool. You can you try to explore the things, and you can change the background color. Yes, let's try to change it over here. Okay, and okay, and let's try. this one, and okay, background, and I think so many I think yeah, if you want to add this is the template, and if you want to add the template in your existing video, and you can use this template, like you can add this template in the in this timeline. This template is added here, and initially it will create a 1 to 2 minute video, and if you want to add any more content in your customization, then you can use this template. See, this is something like the bulletin points which created based on this template. This is really a cool, and try to use it, and uh, you will get the benefit from this tool. And I think I covered all the thing, and let's try to explore another. And obviously this is not the um, um, as famous as other tools, but it's really useful for beginners who wants to create a simple video. Try to explore it, and you will get much benefit on this. And I think I covered all the steps, and I'll come up with the new AI tool in my next video. And thank you so much. Bye.